Welcome back. It's day number 29 where I have some cable management. These are little winder pieces that you put a cable in between and you wind it up and you can store it however you'd like. This keeps cables nice and organized.
And it looks like only one support did not come out, so we'll go ahead and pull that out. So how these work is you put the cable as close to the center as possible. You do have to kind of feed it down through. So I'm just kind of testing to make sure it's pretty centered. And you can change up colors or whatever you want to do, but you want to put it straight. So both are like that, and then you lock it into place. And then you spin the cable. And as you continue to spin it, it's going to lock it down nice and tight. And then when you're ready to pull it, you just pull it, and then you have the full length. Pretty awesome little print here. And it just keeps your cables more organized. You can color code whatever you want to do. If you thought this print was helpful, make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Also, let me know what you would like me to print tomorrow. Go ahead and put a comment down in the comment section below.